Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are we all doing today? If you're new in the channel, please consider to subscribe to the channel, support the video, support the channel by liking, commenting and share. I have a video to share with us. This is in Lagos State, where security agents in Lagos State, I think they exist only in Lagos State. This is a group that called Kai. This group is meant for environmental orderliness, keeping the environment clean and all that. If you be in Lagos, you understand what I mean. Like if you cross some roads, like in Apapa, there's some road there that we are not meant to cross. If you mistakenly cross it, this group will chase you like a criminal. I have witnessed this group when I was in Lagos. I know how they operate and how ruthless they are. This video surfaced online showing how they were trying to clean some roadside traders, but the method they use here shows the level of hunger in Nigeria. Imagine a government agency, security agencies, or whatever they call themselves, looting and taking people's goods with speed. You can see how they're horribly taking it out, proving that they know what they're doing, that is a criminal act, but they don't want to wear masks like highway robbers do. They will use their styles, they use their tricks to do anything possible to make sure they get what they want.
Let's be fast. Oh yeah. We are packing everything. Both the wheelbarrow and the umbrella and the reel. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. No wasting time. I'm going to do shallow. Bend down, pack something. But we don't share me, you see. Bend down, pack something. Look at it. See your guy. Ọgbẹ́ni fi ọ̀bẹ́lẹ̀ lọ́kùn ọ̀gbẹ́ kó lọ́kùn ọ̀gbẹ́ kó jáde. Mr. Tusa. Oh yeah, you are loading everything. Go. Who is this person standing?
The question here is that, do you really think that after looting these goods that belong to people, they will take it back to the owners? The answer is no. This is for their own good. They're gonna take it home, enjoy with their families in the name they are working for the government. Some people say that this is an act of poor, oppressing poor, but to me, these are not really act of poor, oppressing poor. This is all, lies in government, the security agent, the way Nigerian government operates. Everything there is, literally criminality is the order of the day. Once you find yourself in a cordon of power, you can do anything to make sure that you benefit yourself and your family. And those that are benefiting from what you are stealing will be on your side, applauding you, praising you, and singing all manner of praises to you, showering you with your praises. This is not only in Lagos, it is applicable to every other part of Nigeria. The way Nigeria is being operated, or the way it's being created, is in total mess. Because once you are in power or in a corridor of power in Nigeria, you are bound to behave like this. You can see how they are rushing the items as if they are doing it before the owner will come. And these are supposed to be the government agencies who need to, to them, the way they put their services, they believe they are doing the right thing, or this is a government agencies that are supposed to put things in order. Okay, if you ask them, they will say that you are not meant to sell, foods on the roadside and all that. But who's supposed to provide and equip market and provide a place for people to sell and make it look habitable? It's supposed to be government, but they will not do anything. At the same time, they're using their authority to oppress people, stealing and taking what belongs to others. This is very, very bad, and it is supposed to be condemned. But when you go to the comment section, you see people praising them and singing praises to them. So there was a video that I posted here where the Nigerian army was bombarding one part of Imo State. They destroyed even a building, and they're looking for Biafran Liberation Army. That video, you can hear a commander saying that this Tokano was very, very up. They couldn't bring it down for the moment, that they're working on it to see how they're gonna stop the jet from bombarding the Imo State. Now, this video you're about to watch now is Nigerian army looking for a way to get another jet against Biafrans, trying to bombard Imo State. And don't think that they're going to end in Imo State. If they God forbid, if they succeed in Imo State, they will move to another place. My anger on this is because they are using these jets on civilians. They're using it on the women and children, people that are vulnerable, people that are not even fighting or doing anything. But when they see people that have what they have, they will not withstand. This is the video. You can see how they are trying to, get information about another jet from Turkish government. This is a Nigerian army official in Turkey trying to do window shopping to get another jet that they will use against Biafrans. But all that have been happening in northern part of Nigeria, hardly will you see them making a move to acquire weapons to stop the bandits and Boko Haram, their brothers in forest, in bushes, kidnapping and causing mayhem against the Christians in the north. Let's watch the video so you will see it by yourself.
Turkish fighter. This is Turkish fighter. This is Turkish fighter, sir. Fifth generation fighter. Yes. So this is under development right now. We conducted the rollout ceremony and taxi test is ongoing. By the end of this year, inshallah, we are planning the first flight. This platform contains all features for the fifth generations, extended combat radius, internal weapon bay, stealth mode, all features. This is a twin engine platform.
But it's looking like the F-25.
Yes, so according to our assumptions and calculations, this is between the F-35 and F-22.
DB2.
No, these are Aksungur and Ankara. So we said these are game changers of the operation concept. You can use these aircraft for a variety of operations, air missions, maritime operations, border security, strike missions as well. So yes, all of them, these four products are operational and combat ready right now. and Philippine Air Force, and hopefully in Nigerian Air Force. These Aksungu and Anka total they have almost 225,000 operational flight hours. I can fleet much. What is the and this one has been used for 30 hours, 30, and this has 50 hours, more than 2 days. 50 hours? Yes. The maximum altitude is 30,000. Okay, the prototype of Nigerian SAR-2 that was built in 2011, August 17 specifically. The satellite has 4 bands. That's 5 meter spectral resolution and 2.5 meter per chromatic. So then from that, when the satellite was launched, the data from the satellite after the analysis have been used in security operations. Then we have, aside from the launching of the satellite, we have to work with the security agencies. We collaborated with them.
Anyway, I just want to share this video with us. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like the video, comment and share. Thank you.